Okay guys, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Discord because there's been a couple of updates recently and it's just so it can help you navigate when you first come in. So if we flick it over, it's broken up into sections, as you can see: the water cooler, trader talk, trader clinic, scruff gallery, brokers and tools, schedule, videos and start. Now when anybody comes in, they always start here on the front page. It'll tell you what you need to do, sync up, etc. If you're stuck, you go here and you can ask questions. These are all open source, so you don't have to be synced at this point. You then have the instructions. If you can't figure it out, is there, and then there's various other bits and pieces, sort of rules for the group, updates on the group, etc. So that's relatively easy to navigate. Now in the water cooler, this is broken down into sections as well. So the coffee lounge is where the guys come in, they have a bit of a chat, bit of a Mickey take, say good morning, that sort of thing. I do find offers from companies and offer various things that I do. So in here you can sort of get your 5% off the fivers. There's also another offer that's coming on, it'll be out today, where if you use BlackBull, put a little bit of money into it, you'll get the modules that I do for free. Okay, so that'll be in there later on today. The learning path of where to go, how to get into signals, where we just take the mickey because we don't do signals. And then you got Rogues Gallery of who we all are in there. So really that's just somewhere to have a bit of a chat. Now the traders come into here. This is where the meat and bones are. So you got the bulls and bears. The guys will be having a chat about what they're doing on the day trades. They'll then talk about their swing trades. If they're doing small account builders, I love them. They'll talk about it in here. Then they'll do Prop Hub. So if they are doing any kind of challenge that they are from the 5%ers as a prop company, they'll talk about it in here, encourage each other. Saving Acorns is about moving forward with longer term investment accounts, a little bit like my Vanguard, which is my trading account. You'll see it gets put into here as well. Rags and riches, well, it's just your boasting rights to put in whether you've done good, bad or whatever on the day. Okay, and then squad support, just if you're stuck you can go in there and the lads can help you, and girls of course. Now trader clinic is where I spend a lot of my time helping the guys. Every day I put in a market update so they can see what trade it is that I'm looking at, etc. The strengths of the market. I'll put the news in, various other bits and pieces. Ask Scruff, they can ask me whatever they want. I'll most likely come to camera and do a private video for them, and it gets put in here so it's individual for each person. Trade tracker, if they come to me and say I want you to track a product, I'll tell them everything about that product from the initial setup all the way through, and it's done before the trade's taken, so they can track it themselves and see whether I was right or wrong. Trade breakdowns is the write-ups of the trades that I do, why I was going in, how I got there in the first place. Poll booth, well, it's kind of self-explanatory, you can put polls in there. So that's nice and easy. On tour, sort of, there we go. We can put in, we did the live events where I'm up on the stage speaking to you guys, etc. They're all kind of kept in there. Broker tools, now this is where you find all of my spreadsheets, sort of the buyers tools that I use, etc, etc, they're in there. And then there's various other bits and pieces you can add on to your MT5s. There's loads of things. Books, member tools, some extras. And then, of course, the brokers that I use. They're all there. Now, as we come down through this, you'll see schedule. Now, I go live pretty much every day. You know, every working day. I have the weekends off. So what we can see here, Zoom meetings, 8 o'clock. 8:30 in the morning, 8 o'clock, 8:30 in the morning. And they're all open sessions. So we'll go in with a loose theme, but you can ask what you want I'll break a chart down. I'll give an analysis of a chart. I'll tell you how to read a chart. Sometimes we just talk psychology, but it's all done here. Now this bit, I'll tell you when I'm unavailable, because I try and make myself available all the time. But sometimes I'm in a meeting. So like Wednesday today, I couldn't do it because at 10 o'clock this morning, I was in a meeting. So a little salute to Yoko. And then noon, then I was off. But tomorrow, I've got no meetings. So they'll get an answer pretty much within minutes. So that kind of gives them a heads up of what I'm doing. And then in here, I post a link to get into the Zoom calls. And that's it. It's a nice, simple way to do things. But I've done an addition, which is, this is all free, you know, on the WhatsApp. So at the moment, we've got 273 people that are following it. I'd like to get that up to 1,000. And what it does is it tells you when the videos are coming out. So here, that's early release for the guys, but it'll be public at 6 o'clock tonight. And what it is the rundown of this. So that is there. That is what I was doing. You know, posted it before I did the trade. Then there's the result. And there's the heads up that they were given as well. And it goes through. I put my strengths in every day so you can help you pick a basket. Put the news in, and then there's just little snippets as we go. It's just a little ready reckoner, and if you want to see if I've done a recent video, it'll be there for you waiting. So that's it. So I was requested to do a quick walk around of Discord. There you go. All dead simple. And come along and have a chat. See you all in the next one.